Well, it's inspired by one of my uncle. When I was back in Los Angeles, and I saw him making, remodeling the house and stuff like that, and building things that, you know, it's to fit to his need, and that's how I actually got me interested in it. And so I started purchasing the very first woodworking tool, which is a router, and which, I mean, besides from screwdrivers and all those things. So basically, yeah, once I get into the router and I find out, wow, it's pretty interesting. You can actually create something rather than someone who's just handsaw cutting something, you know. So I mean, yeah, so it got me into it, you know, because I'm always a person that I like to do creativity and like to create things that that is not being available, you know, that you can't really purchase something on the street, you know, that I like to create those things.
Yeah, you build it yourself.
Yes.